Good morning, welcome to Caesar Productions. First thing I'll say is don't let anyone tell you what to run. Run whatever you want. So I'm running a nice meta team here, but it's a meta spice because who's running triple flying. So we're going for the Brave Bird first, let that Snorlax take a hit, they're not going to block it, and we switch straight to Mandibuzz. They're not switching out, it's a bit weird, so we're not going to block, we're not going to fire anything, we want all of that energy. Nothing it can do can put Mandibuzz down. Now they switch. It's going to catch a move, I'm assuming. So we go for the Shadow Ball. It's the only thing that's really going to do some damage here. And then, as we're trying to build this up, for some reason, I clicked Aerial Ace. I haven't really got an answer why. I definitely should have done Shadow Ball, but at the same time, they blocked it. So I definitely should have gone for the Shadow Ball the third time here. Should have gone for the Shadow Ball. I thought that they were going to get one move in. Obviously they didn't. And we would have been fine to fire, I think. Might have gone down. But it's not a problem because we'll bring Skarmory. It's a natural counter to Sylveon, which is fine. So we take Psyshock. We look at farming this down and they switch straight into their Emp. It's actually good for us because we're up a shield. So we shield whatever they're going to fire. So we assume it's the Hydro. And they fire Drill Peck. Which is still worth blocking at this point. We get to raise our attack. Now, I would take the first one, they don't, because the second one's going to hurt. And the second one's the one that's going to put you down. So you block that first, you block the second one. You just risk it for a chocolate biscuit, really. Remember, we've got Snorlax that's almost dead and a Sylveon that's almost dead. So all we have to do is survive the Emp, which survives the Emp. So that's pretty much a GG's. I actually tried to build this down, and my thinking was, I'm fine anyway. Skarmory can take Snorlax from where we are, and here comes Snorlax. They've done a switch there, and we can literally just farming it down. We've got enough life again to take anything it's going to put out. Even a superpower at this point is not going to put us down because of the flying here, and then we can just Brave Bird. So GG's to my opponent, and run whatever you want. Enjoy yourself. Be your own king. And happy ELO hunting. Oh wait, not this season. GG's. Welcome to Caesar Productions, and whatever I'm going to say, it's basically just bird hole. Let's see what I've got. Let's take the bird hole down. Triple flying bird hole. Finds Giratina, love it. So we're going to Brave Bird and dip. We let that Dragon Claw come through. So we get scared on these. I've had one person ancient power me at this point. I was like, oh, okay. So we'll go for the Brave Bird, and then we'll go for a dip, because this is the bird hole. Always a bit of fun. We're not going to block it. Let's see what they're going to got. See what they got for me. There's the fairy. So we took a lot of damage out of Giratina to find the fairy in the back, which we can give our Skarmory in a second. It depends what they want to do. Fairy's not actually a great counter for Mandibuzz. As long as you've got Mandibuzz set up right, he says using Shadow Ball. I should be able to get to the next one. There we go. Full day fire. 2 Shadow Balls and an Aerial Ace. That's what I like about the Clefable. It sits there, just waiting to take it. And they have the shield, which is great. And then that goes down. I could have actually gone Shadow Ball, but you saw they blocked it, so there's no reason. Probably going to be an Ice Beam, might be a Psychic, or a Meteor Mash. That's exactly what I want to see. So we've got Giratina that's got next to no life. And we're just going to Sky Attack this down as we can. So Giratina with no life in the back. Probably try and Sludge Wave us. I'm going to block. I'm going to block now. I'm going to use a shield now. Even if it's a poison, which is an acid spray. the next one will be the dark. But I don't know if I'm going to block it. Depends if they shield or not. I'm going to block it and see if we can fast move it down. And Brave Bird, gone for enough of acid spray. Okay, well that's not a problem. Let's see if they've got ancient power. They do not. Not very effective, but I finished that up very nicely. Hopefully they didn't get the energy to go. But I have. That was on the line as well. Bird hole for the win. Bird hole. GG's to my opponent. And happy non-ELO hunting. Welcome to Caesar Productions, and the triple bird line finds Giratina perfect, so Brave Bird and dip. This is what we do. 4, 5, 6. Which should just be a Dragon Claw at 6. We'll go straight away, beat the figures of Flame Charge. Then we dip straight to Brandy Buzz to about what they do. They were shielding it there. That's where the fairy comes out. What happened there? I can take a rock slide. It's purified, isn't it? If that wasn't purified, we'd have a problem. Those counters be taking us down. We've got Refill Shield instead though. So I'll take the first one. Why'd you do that? Why'd I do that? Brandy Buzz can take a rock slide anyway, so I was never going to block. I think they top left. GG's. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly how you don't run Giratina and Machamp. No idea what they had in the back, but I'm sure Skarmory would have had fun too. Welcome to Caesar Productions. I'm going to bring you the triple flying troll hole, the bird line. Let's see what they've got for us. Can I take the bird line down? That's not going to work. I can take the poison, that's fine. Oh, I didn't power it up all the way either. That seems like a silly move. Straight to Mandibuzz. Got a couple of moves in there. We've got Venusaur pegged. So now we have to last this one. So I'm going to fire on the move. Put up with the Hydro Cannons. The Mandibuzz takes beating. That's fine. It works. Number one. And shield now. I think we're happy to double shield. I'm not going to risk it. Sometimes I will take this one. But I know I've got their back line. It's kind of alright. I need this for the timer anyway. I could have got the aerial ace there. I'm gonna let it come through, because although they've taken us out, they still bring out here. Got 3 moves in. This might be difficult now. Really difficult now. Oh, I just made sure to save as much Mandibuzz as I can. Fire the Shadow Ball. So I think Shadow is. Oh wow. This is going to be difficult. Maybe not, because I can take the Hydro Cannon. They can't switch out. If I can get that move in, I'll only be at Dragon Claw. Yeah, we got GG's. That's death. That's death. It's got to be death, isn't it? And that's death to... Not quite. They get that last move in, but I do still think they're dead. When someone bests the bird line, I'll let you know. GG's to my opponents. We're getting dangerously close to rank 19 now. Look at that, 5 minutes. Perfect one for the candy as well. Rank 16 on a 5-0 is a bit overkill. Okay, welcome back. Try that again. Okay, welcome back to Caesar Productions. And again, triple flying troll hole. That's how this works. We're at rank 16. We're stopping at rank 19. I don't want a free Pikachu Libra. Thank you very much, Niantic, but I'm okay. And we're going to see if they can best the bird line. Don't think so. We get to burn this up. And then We'll shoot straight away. We'll drop that sky attack on you. There we go. Skarmory does what Skarmory does best. And they shield up. I'm going to shield this one. So it's going to be a nice hit for the crunch. Hopefully we don't get the defense drop. There's the crunch. We don't get any defense drop, which is cool. And we can get that last one, see if they want to shield it. We've got Lucario in the back, so we're saving Talon, and we've moved Skarmory out of the way. Come to Lucario again, which is fine. Let it take us down. I'm assuming it's going to be a power-up punch. Power-up punch. Doesn't actually take us at all. And they've actually gone down, so I'm not going to risk it there. I mean, we can do the same again. Okay, they come out of water with ice, so what is it? What was that there? You use an ice, there we go. Okay, that's fine. We're going to go for the aerial ace because we know we can fire first. I'm assuming they're going to block because they want to hit us. Don't block, okay. I'm going to go with another one because we can. I'm going to let it come through. I'm assuming it's going to be Hydro. So it'll be Hydro and Crunch. That's what a lot of people run. And with Crunch. So that makes these aerial aces fine. As soon as they try to bait, I think we got this. We need to survive this. I'm going to let it take. I'm going to let it do it. I'm going to let it do it, whatever it does. It went Hydro Cannon. But it's fine, because I can still fire. Because the move's ready and waiting to go. So we're good. So that's that gone. That's not even free farm. It's just, it is what it is. And we still have a shield. It could be a Shadow Ball. So we are going to block up just in case. It is another power-up punch. Just in case they had residual energy. No point in flexing one shield. Oh, slight glitch out. Assuming they've top left. Again. So that's 7-0. No one can take the bird line at the moment. 7 matches. Not bad. What if we get to 10? GG's. Welcome back to Seas of Productions. We're going to see if we can make it 8-0. Triple flying troll hole. Sorry, it's that. Okay, Gliscor. Okay, so we've got a bit of spice here. We're gonna Brave Bird and dip again. What we do to everything. We're gonna take a Night Slash. Ooh, oh, it's Sand Team. So they've dropped our defense. So we want to switch out anyway. So this makes perfect sense in my eyes right now. Sorry, Gliscor. I didn't mean to do that like this, but I haven't really got much of a choice. We keep firing these Sand Teams. We're going to start firing some Shadow Balls with some Walreins. So this is our first Walrein. I'm not going to block it. They're building up. So they've got 2 Icicle Spheres. They've got to have 2 by now, surely. See if we can sneak in. So we can sneak a move in. Maybe they're 1 away. We've almost got health down. And they can still fire, even though we've got to area waste. But that's fine. We're going to let it take us. I'm going to come back out with Talon. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Talon can finish without shielding, which is fine. Okay, we can't finish without. I thought I could get that last bit in. I couldn't. So we're going to use our shield. We are going to finish it now. I'm assuming we're going to see Gliscor. So we finish Gliscor off. What have they got in the back? Fighting. So that's a shield. He's fighting on fire, so got a bit of a predicament. But we have put Skarmory in the best place that we can. Shame about the shield, but we let it take us now. No, because I still need to get that shield. And they top left. That's 8-0. That is 8-0. And what is going on? Such a good line. I love it. Welcome to Caesar Productions. And we're going to see if anyone can scupper my bird line. We're on 8-0. Yeah, we're on 8-0 with this team at the moment. Good fun. That's really going to help in my favour. And then we give it Mandibuzz straight away. Perfect. I'm not going to look at building up loads. We're going to fire both those Shadow Balls. At least I go for the Ancient Power. It's just not enough. For a super effective, that really wasn't. It just didn't do that much damage. Now they've shown me Ancient Power, but I think they're going to go. Oh, yeah, we did go for another Ancient Power. Some people like to go for the second on a Dragon Claw to get that shield. Because you've seen this, the super power, so you're scared that your Mandibuzz is going to get another super power. Ancient Power, sorry. I'm not. We've got both shields. I will still be able to fire, even taking another Ancient Power. Then I'm going to bring Venusaur into it. That's a Dragon Claw. That's good. We've got both your shields. We've got Skarmory in the back. We're not going to swap out onto that. Now we just burn you alive. I'm going to block because they've got no shield, so there's every reason they could use an Ancient Power as well. It's going to do more damage here than it is on the last one, that's for sure. I just need to survive it. And I'm pretty sure when I survive it, I've got some energy. And it doesn't matter because I've got... That's that down. I'm assuming they're not switching out. They're going to try and poison me. That's gone. It's not going to work. GG's. And that's the Brave Bird. So that is 9-0. So 9-0, triple bird line, triple flying troll hole, smashing through this league. Really are going to have to slow down soon. Ooh, can we do a 10-0? We'll soon find out. GG's. Catch you soon. Welcome to Caesar Productions. And as you can see, it's our second set with the flying bird hole, triple flying troll hole. And we're 9-0 at the moment. So we're looking for a 10-0. See what we can do. Can you scupper the bird hole? Maybe. Last match was Tina on the boost. I didn't even notice it got the boost. Could have gone worse for me. Could have gone better for them. Okay, so we count to 3, drop out. 1, 2, 3, 5, and they fire. Okay, so we switched slightly early there. And then we find the dragon. They actually put it out on us. What? They actually put the Giratina out onto. So I'm assuming they're definitely running Ancient Power. But that's a very weird way to do things. We're going to let it come through no matter. I'm assuming it's a Dragon Claw at this point. He has a Dragon Claw. We're gonna bait. I don't normally do this, but I feel they don't know what they've done. Now they're definitely gonna shield. I'm gonna let it through. The Dragon Claw again. And that's either the last shield or they're out of the game. Interesting. Well, we're going to bring out our Talonflame. We're going to burn. And as soon as they switch. Cool. That's good for us, I think. So we're going to take one. Just try and work out how to do them, you two. We needed a bit more energy for this. This is when we shield if we have to. Yeah, needed like 2 more energy to be comfortable, I think. Or 1 more, because I need 1 more now. Vomit, to be fair. That's like half a move. Depends if they want to shield or not. They do shield. We're gonna double shield because this thing puts pressure on both. We can't have Talonflame come out onto this. I need to get this one though. Yeah, this needs to be mine. No overclock. Depends what they're running. Let's see what they're running on here. They've got for the side strike. Can't get to a move. Okay. I mean, I'm hoping we take it out here because I don't want to be feeling anything from it really. I don't know if this is going to work. It's not all of its life. I don't have a shield. So that's probably going to do me over. So I probably should have got the flame charge. So I might have given it away here. There it is. I think I gave it away. I think I should have gone. The side strike wasn't going to take too much damage. It depended if I could make another move or not. And side strike is fast. So GG's. We went 9-0. That's not bad.